Hi everybody, welcome to my Spa de Esperanza YouTube channel. If you've been looking for a one-stop shop for skincare with a multiple disciplinary outlook, you've come to the right spot. My goal is to present information that supports skincare from many different outlooks using 5 different levels. 1 being the internal health, 2 the topical skincare solutions, 3 your physical well-being, 4 your mental self-image, and of course the basic to advanced skincare treatments. After all, I am a master esthetician with over 18 years of experience, clinically, medically, and across a diverse clientele. I am a mom of 5 with a history of grade 4 cystic acne, and I have faced the battle of chemotherapy and radiation's aftermath on the skin. So born out of this quarantine, I am presenting to you YouTube videos. I plan to present the range of skincare home device tutorials, combination skin kits that I have found to be very effective, my list of favorite products, and of course answer my clients' frequently asked questions. I regularly put out videos, so if you'd like some of that material that I present and don't want to miss it when it launches, be sure to subscribe to not miss a beat. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed day.